guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we start this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and put that notification so you never miss one of my videos. Hey guys, like I told you guys in the last video, I am going to be showing you guys my morning school routine. So of course I start off with my clothes. I'm gonna be putting on this. Oh, this, and I'm going to be putting on this shirt with the. I always tuck it in, so yeah. But I don't know if I want to wear this with it or. I love Vans, so I don't know which one to go with, but I'm probably gonna go with this one today because the past 2 days I wear those. So yeah. People say I'm wearing the 1980s. Is that really true? But I'll see you guys when I'm done changing. Guys, today, my mom said that it was just thunder, but I heard like a whole bunch of loud bangings. You guys probably will hear when I leave to go to school, but right now it shows right here. Oops. Right here it's 6:43, and I'm about to go to school because I go at 7:05. But I have to be quiet when I go in here because that's where I brush my teeth. And my brother's in there, so you might hear some noises. Or probably I'll turn it off for a few seconds and I'll come back with you guys in a minute. So yeah. The thing is in the way. Here you go. Go. Please. Yay. I'm opening my hairbrush because my hair is a mess. Okay. What the well? Okay. I hope you guys heard that. But I don't think it's a sin.
And green on sin. I sing a song. I'm speaking.
My hair is curling. Stop. You're just showing your Huggy Wuggies.
What?
To those fans that love Huggy Wuggy, there's my brother. He's also a fan.
Are they coming out? Okay. But I did. Ah!
Please go. I need to do my rest of my. Go, please. He has two of them. Please go.
Bubby, jump it up.
Please, God. I'm sorry whatever I did. Because I didn't do anything wrong. No, it's like there's thunders from the sky. And she's a Mexican. So she probably knows what's happening. I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, guys. I'm back. Put my shoes. Not that easy. It's pretty easy to put on these. But I think I put everything.
What did you do?
And what? Big one. I'll come to you guys in a minute again. Wait, hold up. No, I'm just gonna stay with you guys because I need you guys to keep me company. My water bottle.
Yes. But there's no more roasting.
I don't think I left my water. Oh yeah, I did. I swear to God, if the lights turn off because of the thunder or something, I'm gonna be super scared. Only a little bit. I think I have.
It's roasted and the grandma and
Shush! I think I have. Well, now I had 2 times library. Not yesterday. Yeah, I had. No, I think I had PE or art. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, Anthony done it. Okay.
I had library 2 times, PE 2 times, and art. I think we have art. I don't know. I'm gonna put this in my bag. It's 6:56. I also have to check the time because I don't want to be late. The doors open at the doors open at go. The doors open at 7:15. But me and another friend always go at 7:05 because we want to talk to each other and then then eat breakfast and yeah. I'm already ready for my school. wonder why I still have this sticky
What's
belt
it?
thing.
Look,
That's the reason I don't have no bed.
okay.
No, I do have a bed,
Okay.
but I hate it. It has flowers on it. I love it. But my mom ordered.
It's here.
What the hell is screaming? Hold up.
Okay, so what's in the camera? Okay. Take it.
There's a black cat outside. A black and white cat. That might be Oreo.
Why you watch it? Have it done what?
Okay, wait. They're ready for school. Even though it's not time. We go at... They're going early.
What? It's dying now. Yeah. But you
That might be Oreo.
okay. What if I pick the minutes? But to get
I don't know if I can find
okay,
Oreo.
hey, gosh, is that one? Hello? Okay.
Okay. No, don't tell me.
Okay, it goes in and the camera. This is what happens.
I'm just gonna play.
Oh, because it's a
I'm
funny.
just gonna play with my slime. Meanwhile, I wait. So, yeah.
Wait, what is that?
Wait, do you have your shoes? Put on your shoes. You have to put on his shoes when we go. His slippers.
Alright, it's you, it's you. Really in the spine. Look at this. Okay, have my spine. Boy, you want fast?
Wait, let me look outside. I hear people screaming over there. Remember, guys? Oh, wait, no, I didn't brought that up in the last video.
What's this up?
Did I? There's a girl named Tiffany and Emily. They live right across from me. And
Oh my gosh.
and apparently, I hear from their house, but I hear from Tiffany's house, not Emily's. Nothing. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna play with it meanwhile, but I'll come back to you guys when I leave for school. Guys, it's raining! Mommy! ¿Está lloviendo? Yeah? It's raining! Yay! We have rain! I have to bring my umbrella. Hold up, guys. I'll see you guys when I go to school. Guys, I'll see you guys next time.